Thung Nham Ecotourism Area belongs to the core area of the Trang An World Heritage Complex and is located right next to the Tam Coc, Bich Dong tourist area. In Sino-Vietnamese, Thung Nham means a valley surrounded by steep, rugged cliffs, accurately describing its ecological characteristics, with a harmonious combination of grandeur and poetic beauty. The entire tourist area has a total area of more than 300 hectares, of which 334.2 hectares is flooded forest. This is the habitat of 109 plant species and 150 animal species. Thung Nham tourist area is full of attractive ecotourism types, worthy of being a weekend destination or choice for your short vacations.